Hello fam, it's your girl V to the I to the C to the T to the O to the N Y. I'm Victoni and I'm back again with another interesting video. But before then, I want to let you all know that I'm putting a lip gloss from my collection, Victoni's collection, and this set of jewelries too is from Victoni's collection. You can actually follow my business page on Instagram. That's the name below, Victoni's collection, and we have a lot of sweet things in store for you. So now let's talk. How have you guys been enjoying your quarantine? Yeah, I know it's not a new thing. You guys have literally heard about the pandemic that is at stake right now, putting the whole world at stake. And but not to worry, we just have to be positive that everything is going to come normal, back to normal. Yes. And I'm sure like there's been a lot of lockdowns everywhere, if not almost every part of the world right now. Like they ask you guys not to come out to say things, do things, no more schools, no more anything, just being indoors to save your life, like they say. So today I understand that situation, and so today I'll be doing a video of various things you could do at home while you're waiting for everything to be resolved. So this video is literally all about things you can do at home. So before I continue this video, I would like to give definitions for the words quarantine, self-isolation, and what it means to work from home, because I realize a lot of people they don't know what this means. So what is quarantine? Quarantine is when you stay indoors, like the government is saying everybody should stay indoors. Know that you have the virus, but just so to prevent you from getting it, so they ask you to stay indoors. So that is what it means to be quarantined and all that. Then self-isolation is when a person has the virus already, and then the person has to be isolated from other people so the person does not spread this virus to others. So that's what it means to be self-isolated. And also to work from home. When you work from home is basically before this whole thing, you've been going out, you've been having your offices outside or doing your jobs outside. Well, now you're working from home, you have your laptop with you, you have your cell phone, you need to make the call or anything. You're working from home and actually making money from home. And your phone is basically just bim, 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 a lot coming in. You're getting your money from home, okay? So that is what it means to be quarantined, isolated, and to work from home. I hope that helps someone out there. Thank you. So number one on my list is to have a very sweet and lovely self-care. Like take care of yourself, take care of you, pamper yourself. I've been doing quite a lot of that lately. No, I know someone that knows me is gonna say your showers take long normally, but now it's actually longer. Like I stay very long in the shower right now. I really want to like enjoy everything and just relax and feel like I have nowhere I'm going to, nowhere. Even if I dress up to stay at home. And yes, so that's what I basically do. So take care of yourself. Have you been thinking of how to glow up, how to make your skin fine? So you have all day, like you're going out, also being exposed to the sun, which affects your skin. But now stay at home. And you can learn a skill. If you been wanting to learn something and you were like because of your school you couldn't do it, now you have the time, you have all the time to do it. You can actually learn something. If you're thinking of what to learn, I would like to tell you about my skill acquisition program that I do on perfume making. It's actually a very intensive training. I need to tell people how to make perfume. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can actually follow the link through, and you can chat me up on WhatsApp if you're interested in the training. Now, now's the time to invest in yourself, learn something, do something for yourself, and come out of quarantine like a boss. That's how stars do. Hey, hey. To read books, read very good books that would add value to you. Now's not the time to wake up in the morning, eat and sleep, eat and sleep, eat and sleep. No! Read something that's gonna add value to you, okay? Now, because they said a knowledge a man has is really gonna help him, and if you invest in your knowledge and when you stand out, a lot of people can stand there. People will surely look for you because you are outstanding. Yes. So you have to invest in your knowledge. What can you offer to your society? Now is the time for you to invest more mentally. Develop a good daily routine. You are the one who normally you don't exercise in the morning because you feel you don't have time. You have to run off to school, you have to run off to work, but now you have nowhere to go. So you can actually invest your time in things like that. Wake up in the morning, drink lots of water, exercise, do some little exercises that you know you could do. Call family, call friends, make sure you know how they are doing. Everybody needs so much care right now. You are at home, ask about how they're doing, if they have things to eat, because it's not really gonna be easy this time. Just try to know how they're faring, and yes, you're not gonna lose anything. It's really good to ask after each other. I advise that very well. Get closer to God, read your Bible, yes, pray, be positive. Try not to think about the worst of things because what's already happening. So we need some positivity right now. Yes, pray and be positive and keep your fingers crossed. This is how they do it. Something like this. Whatever. But keep your fingers crossed, okay? Develop your talents or your hobbies. Do you love to sing, dance, and because of work or school you've not really had opportunity to improve in these aspects? Now is the time for you to improve more. Yes, seriously, you can actually download cool apps on your phones, tutorial apps on your phones, and day to day use that to learn more, to improve on yourself more, study more about what you're going into, rehearse more if you like singing, record, and just do a lot of things. Just have fun, and because it's your hobby, so have fun while also doing it, okay? And we've come to the end of this video. Tell me about your creating experience by leaving a comment in the comment section below. I read comments. And if you have any video ideas for me, you want me to put up a video, you can also drop a comment below and I'll put it into consideration. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in my next video. I love you.